Hello people, I'm replacing a cabin filter here on my Ford Everest. This will be the same as the Ford Ranger and the Mazda BT50. I'm using a genuine cabin filter. You can choose to use whichever brand you wish to. Just make sure you get the right model for the right job. Now in behind the glove box there's a mechanism that helps to do a soft open where it lowers the glove box slowly. That mechanism will need to be disconnected before you can start, but you won't be able to see me do this, but I'll show you later on what I'm doing. With the mechanism removed, you can see that the glove box lid just falls down quite quickly. Now we need to depress the two sides of the glove box and it allows it to fully open. You can see here, this is the retractable cable that allows for that soft opening feature of the glove box. Now this is the cable that you need to reach up in behind the glove box and just pop it free. Looking here into where the cabin filter is located, there's a small panel. Once that panel is removed, you can reach in and remove that cabin filter. Now with the new cabin filter, it's just a matter of sliding it in to that slot where the old one was removed. Make sure that you have the airflow arrow pointing downwards, because that's the flow of air in this particular system. The cover just clips back into place. Now the glove box can be closed, and it will just push past those two lugs that you had to deflect before, and the glove box can fully close. Remember though, you do need to connect that little mechanism back up once you've closed the glove box. It's not possible to stretch that mechanism out to close it beforehand. With the slow open mechanism reconnected, you can see that the glove box falls again at that typical slow speed. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Make sure you give it the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.